Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, I'm going to explain you or present you about the business model canvas of Paytm, one of the India's leading fintech platforms. So Paytm has been started as a simple mobile recharge applications, but today it has evolved into a complete financial ecosystems in the world. So using the business model canvas, we will understand how Paytm creates the values it serves the customers and generates the revenue in the competitive digital market. So let us now go inside the video. The first parameter is about the customer segments. So let us start with the customer segments. So Paytm serves multiple types of users. So first, individual users like us who use it for daily payments such as mobile recharge, bill payments and UPI transfers. Secondly, the merchants and small business persons who accepts the payments through the Paytm QR codes. And thirdly, the enterprises and the billers which mainly used for the electricity boards and the telephonic companies. Finally, the user who access the financial services such as gaining or getting the loans, insurance, paying the investments, etc. etc. So Paytm basically targets both B2C and B2B companies, business to business customers also, or business to customers also. Next, we'll see about the value propositions. So the value Paytm provides mainly inconvenience and speed. So it allows the users to make instant and secure digital payments without the cash. So it acts as one-stop platform where users can do everything. So from paying bills to the booking tickets, cashbacks and rewards make the experience more attractive. So for merchants, it provides easy payment, acceptance and business tools. So overall, the Paytm simplifies the financial transactions and saving times. So in next slide, we are going to see about the channels. So channels, which means how Paytm reaches the customers. So the main channel is the Paytm mobile app. So it also uses its website for certain services, also QR codes, partner integrations, and one of the most powerful channels is the QR codes. You can see them in almost every shop nowadays today. Additionally, Paytm integrates with the partner platforms for the wider path, so wider reach through the partner platforms, and these channels makes the Paytm accessible both online and offline. So next we are going to see about the customer relationships. So Paytm focuses on maintaining a simple and engaging relationships with the customers. So it follows a self-service model, whereas the user can easily navigate the applications of Paytm. It provides always the 24/7 customer support for the different kinds of issues arises in the Paytm. So cashbacks, offers and loyalty programs also helps in retaining the users and increasing engagements. So this combination ensures the customer satisfactions and long-term usage. So next we'll see about the revenue streams. So revenue streams, now coming to the revenue streams where how Paytm actually earns the money. So Paytm actually earns the money through transaction fee charged or transactions made to the merchants actually. So it generates the income from financial services like loans, insurance and wealth management. So advertising is another source, so where businesses promotes their services on one platform. So it also earns through subscriptions or some subscription based services also. So Paytm follows a diversified revenue model rather than depending on the single source. So next we are going to see about the key sources. So key sources or the assets which is required for the business. So Paytm's main key source is a strong technology platform. So its brand reputation and trust among users are very important. So a large users base is another key strength. So also banking licenses allow it to offer financial services also. So these sources helps the Paytm mainly to maintain its competitive advantage. So next we are going to see about some of the key activities. So the main activities of Paytm, which includes the processing of millions of transactions daily, it continuously develops and updates its apps. So customer acquisition through marketing is another key activity. It also manages the financial services, operations like loans and payments. So all these activities ensure smooth functioning of the platform. Key partnerships. So Paytm mainly depends on the strong partnerships. It collaborates with the banks of UPI and financial services. So merchants are very important for the partnership of the Paytm. It also works with the government bodies for compliance and digital initiatives. So these partnership helps the Paytm to expand the ecosystem. So next we are going to see about the cost structures. So cost structures means it includes the technology costs, marketing, salaries, customer acquisitions, etc. So these costs are essential for growth and competitions of the Paytm. And finally, we are came for the conclusion part. Like, to conclude the Paytm, it has been successfully built into a strong business model. It is not just a Paytm applications but a complete financial ecosystems. Its diversified revenue streams and strong customer base make it a leader in India's digital economy. So with the continuous innovations and expansions, Paytm is expected to play a major role in the future of digital finance. So thank you.